Use appropriate safety equipment when maneuvering the microwave into your workspace. Using a knife, carefully open the carton box. Place the microwave plate to one side. Take the microwave out of the box and place onto the blanket. Remove the protective film from the front of the product. Inside the microwave, you will find the manual as well as the fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. For the next step, you will need the template. Using scissors, cut the template. Find the center of the niche using a tape measure. Rest the template in place, making sure the template is flush against the front of the niche. Mark the 2 screwing points. Next, you will need the bracket and 2 screws provided. Fix the bracket into place. Place the microwave on top of the carton box. Put the cable through the niche. Lift the microwave into the niche and clip into the bracket. Check alignment of the product. Open the microwave door. Fully screw the microwave into the niche using the screw provided. Next, place the microwave plate inside. Clean the product. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.